Tian, sky, right? To process something go, here. Look, Tiantu, only 3 acupoints for liver meridians. Tiantu, for those smokers, you have to know this. If you fear you have you cough, when you're coughing, when you feel sputum here, phlegm there, when you smoke, try to massage here a little bit. Yeah, it can alleviate the symptoms of those problems. Okay, now where is it? At the base of the throat. I think I need to find a motor here. Any volunteers? Okay, thank you. Now, I begin to love you guys more now. More and more active now. Okay, can you sit down here? All right. Guys, can see that? Sit tight, sit tight, sit tight, sit tight. Yeah. Here is okay. First one, this one, you see that? This is called sternocleidomastoid muscle. Sternocleidomastoid. But you probably cannot see that. Please just stand up a little bit. So you turn your head to one side. Please to one side. Here, see? Sternocleidomastoid from the here. Go up, go up, go up behind your ear. Turn another side. See? Sternocleidomastoid here. Go up, go up, go up behind the ear. See that? So just at the middle. What is it called? Clavicles, right? Clavicle. This bone called clavicles. Just at the supraclavicle, you can find fossa. One fossa here, one fossa here. All right? And you find here, this is a whole depression here. But not here. You should find exactly Tiantu. Use rolling motion of your finger, not poke in, not jab in. This is dangerous, okay? But use your here, okay? Rolling motion of your thumb, look, or first finger. I'm going here. Rolling motion here is like if someone's coughing, they cannot stop like this. Or if there's something stuck here, uncomfortable, do more frequently like this. Okay, thank you. Sit down. Now I will introduce one case in my outpatient department clinic. One lady, she's only 27 years old, just married last year. But recently, she feels something wrong with the throat. She doesn't smoke. She has a very, very good, living style.
Her husband smoke.
Yeah.
Her husband smoke?
Her husband doesn't smoke. Okay. I smoke. She said, Frank, I feel something stuck here. She got it for, ultrasounds, or some, for scan, nothing wrong there. She was very unhappy. She came to me. Every day I feel something like a llama meat there. I want to take out of, nothing there, nothing. Then, you know what? I continued to ask her. So you said that you have a very good relationship with your husband. You have this very harmless with her family members. But I just one question. So I say, last year you got married. You say yes. But in Chinese, if you got married for 1 year, 2 years, you're supposed to have a baby. You understand me? She was under pressure to have a baby. Understand? Some embarrassing question I'm not talking about here. Say before she had a kind of abortion, before she was kind of concerned, were hard to have a baby. For 1 year together, she doesn't have a baby. She's kind of more and more opposite. She didn't tell me until third time, she told me this. I found she was on the very spiritual state. That's why she's more concerned about it. She was not able to have a baby anymore. The more she concerned, the more she worried about it, she become more liver meridians blockage. That's why she feels something stuck here, called Méi Hé Qì. Understand? So you know what I did? I used needle, not fingers. I said, okay, up here a little bit. One finger just go directly. From here, go down. Dangerous, right? But what costs? It really what costs? Efficiently, the third time, her symptom about something stuck there is gone, naturally disappear. Even the third time, she was so happy. That's why she told me that, Frank, I didn't tell you. Actually, I have kind of, stressful mind right now in my mind. She said, oh, then I should use Tai Chong, use Zhangmen, Acupoint. Her symptoms fine. That's why I said you should have a very right, precisely right diagnosis, then you get the right acupoints. How? To look at her tongue. You know why? She didn't tell me the truth beforehand. Oh, I watched her tongue. I found liver stagnation line. Sometimes the patient will not tell you the truth. But when I found the liver stagnation line, your tongue can not tell lie. Exactly. Thank you.